Are you moving to a new country or just want to access an app from another region? Changing your iPhone's region is possible without losing your photos, messages, or apps, but there are a few crucial steps you need to take first. Before you change your region, you must do these three things to avoid issues. First, spend your Apple account balance. Any remaining money on your Apple ID will be lost, as it can't be transferred between regions. Second, cancel all subscriptions. This is a big one. You must cancel any active subscriptions, including Apple Music, Apple TV, and even iCloud storage plans. Wait for them to expire completely. Third, have a new payment method. You will need a valid credit card or other payment method with a billing address in the new country. Now that you are prepared, let's change your region in the settings. Go to Settings, tap your Apple ID banner at the top, tap Media and Purchases, then View Account. Tap Country or Region, tap Change Country or Region, select your new country from the list, review and agree to the terms and conditions. You're almost there. Just fill in your new billing information. Select a payment method and enter your new billing address. Tap Next to confirm. You'll be taken back to the Media and Purchases screen. The App Store will now refresh your new country. Your data, photos, and messages are all saved. However, some apps may not be available in your new region and will not receive updates.